Have you ever wondered how much automotive technologies have evolved in the last 5 years? In this brief span of time, we've witnessed a dramatic transformation in the industry. A powerful shift towards electric vehicles has been ignited. Autonomous driving has moved from the realm of science fiction to our roads, and safety systems have become more sophisticated than ever before. These advancements are not just changing vehicles, but also the way we perceive mobility. Now, let's take a step back and start our journey from 5 years ago. In 2018, a revolution was brewing, and it was electric. As the curtain lifted on a new era in automotive technology, electric vehicles began to take center stage. What started as a niche market for the eco-conscious and wealthy morphed into a mass market appeal with the introduction of more affordable models. The heart of these vehicles, the battery, saw monumental improvements. It was no longer about just getting from point A to point B. Now, it was about how far and how fast. More robust batteries meant longer ranges and shorter charging times, changing the game entirely. The charging infrastructure also underwent a transformation. An increase in charging stations made owning an electric vehicle more feasible than ever. The landscape was further shaped by significant players who emerged during this time. Companies like Tesla, Nissan, and Chevrolet were no longer just car manufacturers. They became pioneers, leading the charge into a cleaner, greener future. The electric revolution was just the beginning. The next big leap was just around the corner. By 2020, cars were not only becoming cleaner, they were also starting to drive themselves. The last 5 years saw unprecedented advancements in autonomous driving technology, truly marking the advent of self-driving cars. It's as if we've stepped into a science fiction novel, but this is our reality now. Major tech and automotive players have been at the forefront of this revolution. They've been tirelessly developing, testing, and refining their autonomous systems. The journey hasn't been without its challenges. From perfecting sensor technology to navigating complex traffic scenarios, these hurdles were anything but small. Yet through innovative solutions and sheer determination, these companies have managed to overcome them. Let's not forget about the impressive milestones along the way. We've seen self-driving cars successfully navigate city streets, highways, and even complex intersections. Some have even made cross-country trips with minimal human intervention. While cars were learning to drive themselves, they were also becoming safer. The intersection of technology and safety is where we'll head next. In the last 2 years, safety in automobiles has reached new heights. The leap in technology has brought us closer than ever to the goal of accident-free driving. One major player in this revolution is the Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS. These systems include features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, all designed to support the driver in the driving process. Then we have collision avoidance systems. These sophisticated technologies can detect potential hazards and take necessary actions to prevent accidents, often faster than a human could react. Lastly, let's not forget Intelligent Speed Adaptation, or ISA. This technology uses GPS data to control the vehicle's speed based on the current speed limit, helping to maintain safe driving speeds at all times. These advancements have significantly contributed to reducing road accidents, making our roads safer than ever before. From electric cars to self-driving vehicles and advanced safety systems, the last 5 years have indeed been transformative. So, what does the future hold for automotive technologies? As we look ahead, there's a world brimming with possibilities and one that's charged with innovation and transformation. First off, let's talk about artificial intelligence. It's not just about self-driving cars anymore. AI is poised to enhance every aspect of our driving experience. Imagine a vehicle that learns from your driving habits, predicts your routes, and even senses your mood to select the perfect playlist. That's the power of AI in the future of automotive technology. Next, we have battery technology. The race is on to develop batteries that are lighter, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. Think batteries that can charge in minutes, not hours, and offer a range well over 500 miles. That's a game changer. And let's not forget vehicle-to-vehicle communication, known as V2V. This technology allows cars to communicate with each other, share data, and make real-time decisions. Imagine a world where your car knows about a traffic jam miles ahead or an accident around the next bend, all thanks to the information shared by other vehicles. That's the promise of V2V technology. These advancements are not just about revolutionizing our driving experience. They also have the potential to significantly reduce carbon emissions and create a safer, more sustainable world. Indeed, the future of automotive technologies is as exciting as it is unpredictable. One thing is certain though, the ride is going to be electrifying.